Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Rukia Laltia. In case you're new here, please kindly don't forget to subscribe down below, to give this video a big thumbs up, and of course share with others. First of all, I want to wish all Muslims a Ramadan Mubarak. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a simple iftar recipe known as Pakora, but in East Africa, we call them Bhajia. So these are the ingredients which we are going to use today. We have some cornflour, some salt, coriander, onion, chili powder, potatoes, black pepper, chili pastes, and we have some coriander powder, and lastly some Garamflour. So without further ado, let's start with this recipe. So the first step, we're going to cut our coriander, or another name we call it dania, as so, and make sure of course you've washed your coriander before cutting it. In the next step, I'm going to take this large onion, remove the outer skin, and of course wash it, then afterwards cut it into slices. Once you're done cutting your coriander and onion, take a large bowl, then add the coriander and the onion into the bowl. The next step, I'm going to use 5 small potatoes. Make sure you've washed your potatoes thoroughly because we are not going to peel off the outer skin. In making my pakora, I prefer cutting my potatoes into 2 ways. One way, I'm going to cut my potatoes into long strips as so, and then the next step, I'm going to take my grater and I'm going to crush it or grate my potatoes like so. Take the bowl that you've added the onions and the coriander, then you're going to add the potatoes, a half a teaspoon of chili powder, a half a teaspoon of coriander powder, a half a teaspoon of green chilies, black pepper, salt to taste. Then I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of cornflour to make my pakoras or bhajia more crunchy. Then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of garam flour. Then you're going to add approximately 2 tablespoons of oil and mix everything well. At this point, make sure you're squeezing all the juice out from the potatoes and the onion, and then lastly you're going to add some water, approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons of water, and mix everything well. Then the mixture of the paste needs to be like so. The next step, we're going to dive in by frying our pakoras or our bhajia. Place your pan or a pot and then add some oil and let the oil to heat up very well. The next step, don't be scared to make your hands dirty. Take a small amount of the paste and dip them into the frying pan and cook them on a medium heat. Once your pan is full of the pakoras, make sure that the heat is on medium heat so that the pakoras can able to cook inside. Then flip them continuously until you get a nice golden brown color. Once your pakoras or your bhajias have this amazing golden brown color or the color that you desire, then remove your pakoras and place them aside and continue with the rest until you're done. And our crunchy pakoras are ready. As you can able to see in the video, I'm going to serve them on a plate with some tamarind sauce, some green chilies, and of course with some ketchup. So our pakoras are ready. I just have some tamarind sauce with some green chilies, and with some ketchup of course. Let me cut one of the pakora so you can feel the crunchiness. Oh my god, it's so crunchy and the inside was so soft. Dip it into the tamarind sauce with some green chilies and some ketchup. Like, this combo is incredible, delicious. It's a must. You have to try this recipe and it doesn't take any time. yes, this is a 10 out of 10, guys. Like you saw the pakora is super crunchy, it's soft inside, it's so easy to make, and of course it's so tasty. If you've enjoyed this video, please kindly give this video a big thumbs up, share, and of course subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And see you next time. Bye bye. It's so much fun.